Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be speaking about that one negotiable N. Yes, you got that right. N for networking. In today's times, if you want to grow as an individual or a business, networking is of prime importance. So, how do you make that possible? In this video, we are going to speak about exactly that. If you go back a few centuries, you will know about the paper business card, one that has been standard for professional networking. But in a world that is all about paperless and mobile first, don't you think the traditional card is a huge challenge? One that is static, easily lost, and environmentally taxing? Guess what? We have a solution for you. This solution comes in the form of a digital visiting card. This is dynamic, interactive, just perfect for your professional identity. Unlike paper, it stores a large amount of data, right from text to your coordinates to each and every detail related to who you are and your profession. You can easily transmit data through QR codes and near-field communication with digital visiting cards. This is just a perfect addition to the age of smartphones, scanning, and increased information access. Here, you can provide your contacts with direct links to your portfolio, to your website, to your social media profiles. All it takes is integration. Add to contacts buttons that help save all your info in just one click. Can you imagine? Just one click. Guess what? From the educational standpoint, this shift is all about data management. Yes, you heard that right. When your job title or phone number changes, now you don't need to reprint those 500 cards. All you need to do is simply update your digital profile, and your card will be instantly ready. If you have followed us until now, we are sure that it is time that you are going to be convinced to let your physical business cards make an exit and the digital visiting cards to come in the forefront. We know that the digital visiting cards aren't a new gadget. They have been around for a very long time. However, in terms of sensitization among people and professionals, this has not been the case. But if you want to be intelligent in managing your professional relationships, if you want to be efficient, sustainable, and be designed for the modern era of connectivity, then my friend, this is time. This is the time for you to say goodbye to your physical visiting cards and allow digital visiting cards to make a permanent entry in your life. We are going to do it. How about you?